Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. On this video, I will take you along with us on a rafting adventure to Ayung River. It's one of the most popular spots for white water rafting in Bali. We started early morning and got a complimentary pickup from our hotel in Ubud from our tour guide company. Once we got our tickets, we were fitted with all the necessary equipment, including a life jacket and helmet. Then we were given a safety briefing by our tour guide. Then we got dropped off to a small village, hiked through a rice field, and then hiked down the stairs. The fun begins as soon as our tour guide pushes off from the shore and begin our rafting journey. Our guide led us through the rapids. He's also very funny and entertained us with his jokes, games, and even tried to scare us. The scenery was breathtaking, with lush green jungles and towering cliffs on either side of the river. One of the highlights of the tour was the beautiful hidden waterfall. We stopped the raft and had the opportunity to jump into the water and swim to the base of the waterfall. Once we reached the base of the waterfall, we stood under the falling water and took videos and pictures. After 2 hours of rafting, we reached the finish point and we had to walk back up to the base camp. Lunch was also provided with our tour. We were tired but really happy with our experience. Overall, rafting at Ayung River was an unforgettable experience. We would recommend to anyone visiting Bali. It's a great way to experience the natural beauty of the island and learn about the local culture. If you're planning a trip to Bali, make sure to add Ayung River rafting to your itinerary. It's an experience you won't forget. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting travel and adventure content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next adventure.